But that's not it. Certain pairs actually included this booklet here of social currency stamps made to look exactly like paper food stamps from back in the day. The silver lining is, even though we were struggling really bad back in the day, at least you could look forward to the 1st and the 15th to get your re-up on your food stamps. Here's my thing. For what The Secret's supposed to be, they did a great job. But is this a story that we really needed to tell? Did we really need a story about food stamps and sneakers? There's this thing, and people have been talking about a lot on Twitter about Black trauma lately, and it talks about commercializing these struggle stories, these pain points of Black and brown communities, mainly, not everybody, but mainly into these sneakers that a lot of people still in that struggle can't even afford to buy. I mean, like, what's next? The Wick Air Jordan 2s, the welfare Air Jordan 11s? I mean, like, how far does this go? James Whitner says often that he tells the stories that resonate with him, and I got it. Food stamps fed me many days, but why can't we tell more positive stories when it comes to the Black and brown experience? But you guys can sound up down below. Let me know what you guys think about the food stamp Mac attacks.